Hello friends, welcome to mkd-mixture. So this is my new channel and you can see no subscribers. So this is my first video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the stylish channel name. Okay, so I believe you like it and I hope you will help me to grow the channel. Okay, so let us change the channel name. So to change the channel name, you have to go to customize channel, and then you have to go to the basic information, and from there you can do some mixture type. Okay, so to change the channel name, you need to go one beautiful website, that is fontvilla.com. Okay, and the fontvilla, let me show you how to go. You can I'll give you the URL name on my description. You can type here, and then you can just type your channel name. This is my new channel name, mkd-mixture, and today this will be the first video, so let me show you how to do that. Okay, so I need to I love this name. Okay, so love this font, so you can go and you can just change it, copy and paste here. Okay, make sure that you don't have space here, so you can just publish it. You can see, you can say view channel, and you can see it is changed. It is a beautiful font. Okay, so friends, you can change your font channel name like this. You can just follow the video, and this is my humble request, please help me to grow this channel. Okay, thank you.